Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Easy English Hacks. In my videos, you all are going to learn English phrasal verb, English idioms, English expressions, and English vocabulary. In today's videos, you all are going to learn how to compare between these two phrasal verbs, call someone out and call out to someone. The first one is call someone out. That means confront or criticize someone, often publicly, for their actions or behavior. For example, she called him out for not keeping his promises. And the second one is call out to someone. That means shout or raise your voice to get someone's attention. For example, he called out to his friend across the street. That means it easily just shouted to someone or call someone out. So if you guys enjoy these videos, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.